learn about how we can integrate Razorpay integration in Laravel 8. To integrate Razorpay integration in Laravel 8, we will follow the following steps. The very first thing which we have to do is to create an account in Razorpay so that we can get the app ID as well as app secret. After that, we will install a Laravel project via Composer. Then we will install the Razorpay package via Composer, and after then we will use the Razorpay ID and secret. Then we will create a controller, adding the routes, creating the blade files, and then write the controller code. And after that, at the last, we will test our integration. So let's start the process. So now what I'm going to do, I have already created an account in Razorpay. So I'm just going to log into my dashboard so that you guys can see that how the Razorpay dashboard is look like. So if you come to my blog and when you click here, you will directly go to the sign up page. Okay, so here I comes. I am doing a login with my Google account. It takes some times. Okay. Okay. Now you can see this is my test account, right? So when you logged in to your account, then what we are going to do, we need the app ID and app secret. Those things you will get from when you click on the settings. And in the settings on the top, you can see the API keys. I have already created one. Okay. Now I am moving forward. Now you have to install the project via Composer. So we are going to down to install the project via Composer. You can run this command. I have already installed the project to save our time, and then you have to run the Composer require Razorpay in order to install Razorpay package. Okay. Now I am moving forward because I have already installed the Razorpay package as well as the Laravel project. Okay. Now the part is you have to add the Razor key and Razor secret in your .env file. So here it is my the env file, right? And here I've added the Razor key and Razor secret, which you will get from your settings and right from here, right? Okay. Now I will make a controller by running this command. I'm just copy the command and paste it here, right? So my controller has been created under the app http and the under the controller here, right? Now I'm going to add the route. So we have to add this namespace in the route file. Okay, it is in the routes web.php, and on the top I'm adding this. Okay, now add two more routes in your web.php file as like I have done here. Okay, now moving forward, now we will create a blade file named as razorpay.blade.php under the resources views. Okay, under resources view, here I'm creating a new file. All right, the file has been created. Just copy all the code and paste it here. Okay, so what I have basically done here, on the top I have added the session message. Okay, and here what I have done, I have just passed the Razorpay checkout JS. After that I am passing here the Razor key. Then this is the amount. 100 means rupees 1. I am passing if 1000 it will becomes 10 rupees. After that there is a demo payment page. This thing I will show you when I will run the code in my browser. That way it will show the that thing and the code hunger and the image, right? You can also pass an image after the profile name, email, and the theme color. You can also change the Razorpay theme color just right from here. Okay, so now let's add the code to the controller. So what will happen, the create function, when I call the Razorpay payment, it will call the create function first, right from here, and open this blade file. When you submit this blade file, right, at that time what happened, as you see I have given the route payment, and at that time it will call this route, and after that it will come under this, right? And here I will check the payment has been captured in a right way or a wrong way. If it been captured in a right way, then it will show you a payment successful message. That's it. This is a very bit code, a small code for a basic understanding. So let's test the integration. Okay, just go to your browser and write localhost. What is my project name is laravel demo. Okay, after public, and what is my, okay, my URL is a Razorpay payment, enter there. Okay, wow, and here it is coming. Now click on pay 1 INR. Now you can see the page admin comes. Now you can see the demo payment page which is coming just right from here, right? Data description code hunger coming from here, and your amount is coming from here, right? So you have to enter a number. I am entering my number. After that you have to pass email. Click on proceed. I am choosing a card, and then it will send OTP to my mobile number. I am waiting for the mobile OTP. Okay, OTP has been come, and I have to enter the OTP 239995. Okay, now I'm going to click on verify. Okay, so I am already here save the card, right? You can also pay with the other card. I'm using just this card, entering the OTP, pay rupees 1, and click on the success page. Why the internet is so slow? Okay, so you can see here the payment has been successfully received, right? Okay, and on the other thing, if you want to check the internet speed, you can also visit there's a website speedtest.codehunger.in. I'm just suggesting you, if you want to test your internet speed, you can also use this website also. It's a simple interface. You click on start. It is showing a ping, jitter, download and upload, and as well as a night mode feature. That's very cool. Okay, nice speed, right? So let's check to the dashboard. Transaction, payment capture. Okay, now here you can see the rupees 1 has been received to my account, right? Okay, so you can also see those things on my blog. They are briefly described here, even though I have also added one the demo link. If you click on that, you can also try directly on the live, right? So I hope you will like my video. So if you like the video, please share with your friends so that they can also integrate the payment gateways with their website, and they can accept payment internationally also. So thanks for watching, and subscribe my channel. We will meet again. Thank you.